I was sitting around one day and I was wondering, why does my lawn look so bad? Then I started thinking, how come I can't grill a hamburger correctly? Or how come my neighbors don't want to hang out with me? I figured it was time to up my game. I went online and I searched for things that would make me a better person, a better father, a better neighbor. This is what I came up with. This package had just arrived, and for some reason, the Amazon delivery person had a big smile on their face, as if they knew that something big was about to happen. He went the extra effort to hand me the package carefully, as if he sensed the value of what was inside. I said thanks, and he gave me a nod and said, "Congratulations, big guy." Let's take a look at what life-changing item I ordered off of Amazon, and we can unbox it together. After countless hours of research and going through meme after meme of dad shoes, I settled upon the gold standard, the New Balance 608. When the package arrived, it was just as I expected. Size 13, extra wide, to give me ample room. This is the room that I knew that I would need, especially if I was going to be playing a pickup game of catch in the yard, spending hours at the grill, or even mall walking on a Sunday morning. When I first opened the box, of course they were wrapped in the proprietary New Balance tissue paper, but I couldn't believe how clean they were. They didn't have a mark on them. I almost didn't want to put them on. When I finally did take them out of the box, I saw that they had the tag on them. I even thought about leaving it on, kind of like how the young kids leave the tags on their hats when they wear them, just to show how expensive they were. I marveled at the meticulous stitching that was painstakingly put in there by an 8-year-old working in a sweatshop in the middle of the night. I really appreciated the quality, and I knew that they were going to be a good decision. They had those little wads of paper in them to help them keep their shape. I was just thinking, what was the person thinking about when they were folding up those little pieces of paper? Did they know that they were going to me? That they were going to change my life somehow? I don't really think so. I guess I could just sit and look at them all day, but I was ready to get to it, so I went ahead and put them on. Suddenly, I was transformed into a dreamland of standing in front of a cutting-edge grill rotisserie combo with side burner. I couldn't wait to throw a steak or something on there. Was it going to taste great? Hell yeah. Was I intimidated? Maybe just a little bit. After all, it's not every day you get to strap on some new 608s and sit at the helm of this baby. Well, I'm going to get to it now. I hope you enjoy the video, and I would definitely recommend picking up a pair for yourself.